How to fix Anydesk is not connecting to the network on your PC. If you're facing the same issue, how you can solve it? To solve this, firstly open the application of Anydesk, or if you were using it on your browser, you can do this thing. Now, if it's not connecting to the network, then maybe the problem is only on my network connection. So I'm going to check my Wi-Fi connection. I will turn it on, then turn it off again. After doing this, the second thing is make sure that your PC is working without any bug. You have updated it, you have updated your browser, and then if not, you simply have to restart the complete laptop. Here you can restart your device, then you can start again checking for the network connection, that it is connected to the Wi-Fi or not. If not, you can click on the Google Chrome and you can simply reinstall your application. So this is because the network connectivity, you can solve it right fixing your PC. Thank you so much for watching this.